Quarterly 4 result season has ended by the end of May month. I have analyzed the snapshot of earnings for quarter 4. If we look at the overall scenario, the revenue has gone up by 10.11%. Gross profit has gone up by 8.86%. Net profit has gone up by 23.33%. If we look at the Nifty 50 companies, revenue has gone up by 8.48%. Gross profit has gone up by 4.09%, and net profit has gone up by 1.99%. Overall, the result seems to be quite okay for this fourth quarter. Revenue has gone up by around 10%, and net profit has gone up by more than 23%. That is quite good. If we consider Nifty 50 companies, their net profit has gone up by only 1.99%, which is not a good scenario. Nifty 50 earnings have fallen short of estimates and street expectations. If we look at large cap companies, that is, as per SEBI definition, top 100 companies by market capitalization are large cap companies. The revenue has gone up by 8.47%. Gross profit has gone up by 5.36%. Net profit has gone up by around 27.84%. This seems to be quite good. If we compare this with Nifty 50 companies, most of the large cap companies are in Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 companies have posted hardly 2% profit growth, whereas large cap companies, large cap 100 companies have posted 27.84% growth in profits. That means the large cap companies which are outside Nifty 50 index have done better than the Nifty 50 companies. If we look at mid cap sector, mid cap companies have shown a growth in revenue of 10.3%. Gross profit has gone up by 12.87%. Net profit has gone up by 13.95%. The mid cap sector results seems to be quite good. Their profits are also up by around 14 to 15%, and gross profit is also quite good. If we look at small cap sectors, small cap companies have posted revenue growth of 12.7%, gross profit growth of 10.75%, but their net profit has come down by around 2.96%. It seems that small cap sector companies have taken a beating in the net profit growth. Their profit margin, net profit margin has come down. This could be due to the rising interest rate burden and also inflationary impact on the margins and depreciation and other expenses of the small cap. Now let us look at the impact of earnings on the market valuations. I have considered the pre-result numbers as on 7th April 2026 when the result season started, and compared with May end, that is 30th May 26 numbers. During this period, the overall market has gone up by 6.3%, and pre-result PE valuation, price earning multiple was 22.03. Post earning it is 22.45. On a price to book value basis, overall market was trading at 3.35. Now it is at 3.57. If we look at PE multiple, it has gone up by 22.03 to 22.45. In the same period, market has also gone up by 6.3%. So despite 6.3% rise in market levels, PE multiple has not gone up by much. So it is the earning that is help to keep the valuation in check. If we look at Nifty 50 companies, the change in index is only 2.3%. That is, the change in Nifty 50 index is only 2.3%. Pre-result valuation was 20.3 and post-result valuation is 20.27. On price to book value basis, it was 3.16 before results and now it is 3.21. The Nifty 50 companies seems to have failed in earnings growth. That earnings growth was quite less and their profit growth was also hardly around 3%. So there is no earning growth even though valuation looks quite good at 20.3 and 20.27. The valuation is always linked to the earnings growth. If there is no earning growth in Nifty 50 companies, then it is not a good sign. If we look at mid-cap sector, the mid-cap index has gone up by 13.04% during the result season. Valuation wise, Nifty mid-cap PE has come down from 33.75 to 29.76. On a price to book value basis, it was 4.312, now 4.83. Mid-cap index or the mid-cap companies seems to have done quite well during the result season. Their earnings growth has had a check on valuation. The valuations have come down from 33.75 to 29.76, despite cap index going up by 13%. Earnings has kept the valuation, or rather, it has helped to even reduce PE multiple from 33.75 to 29.76. Small cap sector has gone up by 14.48% during earnings season, and pre-result PE multiple was 27. Post-result PE multiple is 30.54. If we compare these valuation, the valuation also has gone up by around 14 to 15%. That is in line with the earnings, and also it is in line with the increase in small cap index. That is around 14.48%. So that means the small cap index has not become very expensive, even though it has gone up by 14.48%. But the net profit of small cap companies has come down by around 2.9%. Having said this, there are many small cap companies which have posted very good earnings growth. Investors have to look for those companies which have good revenue growth and good net profit growth in small cap sector. They have to have a stock specific approach. So considering all the different sectors, the overall market seems to be quite okay. Nifty 50 companies have disappointed in earnings. Mid-cap sector looks quite attractive at this point of time, having good revenue and earnings growth. One has to have stock-specific approach in small cap sector. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like to get such kind of in-depth analysis, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.